Hey guys, we're gonna make a bird feeder today. So first I had a old juice container that I was done with, and I started to cut that up, and now I am putting the popsicle sticks to make a stand for the little birds to go on. And you gotta use some hot glue, so in case, ask your parents for help. So here we are putting the hot glue on 2 pieces of the plastic with the popsicle sticks to make a little stand. Now, time to paint. I'm using my favorite color, pink, of course, and painting the top of the bottle. Now I painted the bottom green and the little stem yellow and the cap yellow. Now I'm just putting one more coat on. Make sure everything is looking good. Now I'm putting some glitter because of course we have to have glitter. And here's the final product. Hope you like it.